It's like, wow, you got a lot of really nice plans here, and some of them are pretty extensive. That looks like a lot of work, and from work standpoint, you get into budgets that get kind of high over time.
Sure. But what a lot of people don't understand is that once you get a plan like this landscaping can be done in parts or phases.
Why don't you explain that a little bit?
Well, the first step is to have one of us come out and create a design for you, and that gives you a good idea kind of where you're going with the property. And from there, once you have the plan, you can decide what's most important to you. So for some families, it may be curb appeal in the front. You may want to redo that front. It's looking a little dated, and for other families that spend a lot of time in the backyard, the back is more important.
Or it might be putting out a fire, like getting some drainage taken care of to take care of some water issues.
Absolutely. So it's a matter of priority. Once you've got your projects laid out, you can kind of pick and choose which to do first. So in one season, you may put in a walkway or a patio, and then the following year, do the planting around that.
Yeah, and another thing you mentioned is, if you put a ton of plants in all in one year, you got to take care of them and water them and do all that. So
that can be very overwhelming to take care of all of it. Yep. And like for this customer, we did this over 4 consecutive seasons, so just a little bit more every year.
Right, and we've been here for 60 years, and we plan on being here a lot longer. So once we develop a relationship with somebody, a lot of times what happens is we do this little drawing on one section, and the next year we come and we do another one, and it's just an ongoing project.
Absolutely. So if you're interested in meeting with us for a landscape consultation and starting your project, give us a call. Thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hoteling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.